Here's Remy from Avatar Grenade, and we are at the IWA booth. I'm here to present you one of the last things we had to release on last year, but you know about the COVID breakouts. This product is an add-on for the current Avatar Grenade, and it is something like a remote add-on for the current impact core, and it works with this remote, and you have a range at around 80 meters straight on. With some walls we are about 30 to 50 meters for the range, and it activated only with one push. And you can put it on every skins already available. So this is just an add-on, an upgrade for this. This is our very latest product on the grenade. This is a timer grenade, but not only a common timer grenade. This one is a mechanical grenade, mechanical timer. So basically, you just have to put it that way. This one is the switch in order to release the switch, and you have around 2 seconds by now, but we have to improve the time in order to detonate. We think about 3 seconds around this, so it will be always the same time, so you don't have some issues with gas pressure and constancy for the gas in order to detonate at a time. This one will always detonate the same time, and it is already workable. You don't need a lot of gas when it works. If you need to reset, the grenade is really simple, and you can use it a lot of times. It works with green gas, HFC, a lot of range of gas, in fact, and it's always the same time. And it's still powerful for everything. So this is our latest thing, and it's already in production right now.